big screen projector here and a big screen projector on that wall over there. And then this is the new bar, and this will be the manager's office and gift shop. I am Chaney Coggins, and I'm a superintendent with OliverSperry Renovation. Footage-wise, it's about 2.5 times larger than the current proof is. The beer garden will be 2 to 3 times larger, and then the actual brew house and brewery will be at least 3 times larger. The current bar at Proof right now is approximately 25 feet. This bar is 40 feet all the way across, so it's substantially larger. This was an existing freight elevator when Coca-Cola was here. This was one of their freight elevators to carry the syrups and so on and so forth up and down. This is going to be their new main entrance, where you're going to retrofit it, put a new floor in there. We're going to weld the cab in place. My dad was a superintendent. He's been a superintendent for over 50 years, and all my brothers were superintendents and project managers. They went through school, they got their degree in construction, so it was just kind of natural for me to follow in it. So I came straight out of high school, and I was 18, started digging ditches. 2 years later, I went to a trade school with AGC, which is Associated General Contractors, and got my journeyman carpenter's card. And then I went to TCC, got a degree in construction technology over there, and that was also very helpful, being able to see more of the office side of it than just the field side of it. A lot of trade schools and TCC, the construction program at TCC, there are a lot of classes offered at night for that specific reason, because people work during the day and then they take classes at night.
American Graduate Getting to Work is made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.